Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to add two numbers in C#.NET. So at your first I'm going to take integer type variable x, next y, and hereafter sum. So three integer type variable I've taken. Now hereafter console cross dot write line method. So add here in double quote going to write enter first number. Now hereafter so taking a string type variable s1 and here console dot read line. Now hereafter x equal to int dot parse method that required and here going to pass as 1. Now hereafter copy this three line and here console dot enter second number and here so this let's change s2 and here s2 and here y. Now hereafter sum equal to x plus y and hereafter console dot write line method. So and here printing the sum of two number equal to the value of sum plus sum. So this is the code to add two number. Now hereafter let's click on start. So add here into the first number. So going to enter 6 and here second number 9. So 6 plus 9 the value comes 15. So see here the sum of two number equal to 15. It's a display. Now let's execute one more time. So add here 3 and here 8. So 8 3 plus 8 the value comes 11. So getting the right output. Hereafter I'm going to explain this code. So this code I pasted into the paint. So at here if you debug the code control comes to main method. Hereafter that go inside. So at here I've taken integer type variable x, y and sum. So first is x and here y and next sum. So at your console dot write line, so this will display into the output screen and here so string s1 equal to console dot read line. So at here about the console dot read line, so read the string from the console. So it is used to read the string for the from the console. So at here whatever I'm going to enter, so that will store into s1. So there is a one more variable s1. So at here going to enter some value like 7. So 7 is now, this is a string tab here. So here console.readline. So read the string from the console. So s1 value is now I enter 7. So add here int.parse. So this 7 is now a string tab. So by using int.parse method, so this 7 is now converted into integer and that will go into x. So x value add here 7. So x value add here 7 now. So add here console.writeline. So here enter the second number. So this will display into the output screen. So add here console.readline. So add here read the string from the console. So add here I'm going to enter this into the second number. So going to enter add here 5. So 5 store into s2. So add here this is the read the string. So s2 value is now 5. So 5 is the string tag. So string tag and here this of 5 it's come to this point and here int.parse. So by using int.parse method, so this string 5 string value is now converted into integer and that will store into y. So y value add here 5. Now hereafter sum equal to x plus y. So 7 plus 5 sum become 12. So sum become 12 now. So at here console.writeLine. So at here the sum of two number equal to, so some value is now 12. So it will display 12. The sum of two number equal to 12. So see at here sum is the integer tab and here this value is the string tab. So if you use plus, so with a string and with integer, so this will do the concatenation. So at here the output display the sum of two number equal to 12. Now at here this is the plus operator, here is the plus operator. So this plus operator is used to concatenate and this plus operator is used to add. For used to addition, so add here x value. So x value is the integer and y value also integer. So integer that added and that added value is stored into sum. So don't be confused. X add here, this is for addition and this is for concatenation. Now here after you can make this code more simpler. So if you don't want add here or this one lines of code, so simply just remove this one. So add here first is x and here write x equal to int dot parse console dot read line and here close by semicolon. So this is the use of console.readline. So read the string from the console. So at here this will display into the output scheme and here so it will read the string. So at here whatever I enter, so this will accepted or read at here a string and this string value that by using int dot parse converted into integer and that is to x. So suppose if I enter at here read the string, so at here this value I'm going to enter x 8. So 8 is now at here a string type. So this string at here 8 is the string type and here by using int dot parse, so this string 8 value is now converted into integer. So at here at this point this is the integer type. So this at here integer type. So x is the integer type and here this is the string type. Now hereafter enter the two number enter the second number. So at here going console.readline, so going to enter this value is now 6. So 6 is now at here that accept a string value. Okay, that is stored into s2. So s2 value is now at here s2 value at here 6. And hereafter this at here at this point at here s2 value is the 6. s2 value is 6 and here after applying int dot parse conversion method, so this string value is now converted into integer. So at here it becomes 6 integer 6 integer 6 it becomes. So this is the things here. So this is the integer 6 and here this is the string 6. So s2 is the string type here. Now hereafter we can do only addition with the integer. So 8 plus 6. So 8 is the integer x value and here y value integer 6. So x plus y. So 8 plus 6 the value is now 14. So 14 go to sum. So this is the logic of this program. And in my next video I will discuss more detailed way about read and readline method. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.